and Topheth, in the valley of the sons of Hinnom, he made unclean, so that no man might make his son or his daughter go through the fire to Molech.
Ia menajiskan juga Tofet yang ada di lembah Ben Hinnom, supaya jangan orang mempersembahkan anak-anaknya sebagai korban dalam api untuk dewa Moloch.
And he took away the horses which the kings of Judah had given to the sun, at the way into the house of the Lord, by the room of Nathan-Melech, the unsexed servant, which was in the outer part of the building, and the carriages of the sun he put on fire.
Dibuangnyalah kuda-kuda yang ditaruh oleh raja-raja Yehuda untuk dewa matahari di pintu masuk ke rumah Tuhan, dekat bilik Nathan-Melech, pegawai istana, yang tinggal di gedung samping, juga kereta-kereta dewa matahari dibakarnya dengan api.
And the altars on the roof of the high room of Ahaz, which the kings of Judah had made, and the altars which Manasseh had made in the two outer squares of the house of the Lord, were pulled down and crushed to bits, and the dust of them was put into the stream Kidron.
Mesbah-mesbah yang ada di atas Soton, tempat peranginan Ahaz, yang dibuat oleh raja-raja Yehuda, dan mesbah-mesbah yang dibuat Manasseh di kedua pelataran rumah Tuhan, dirobohkan oleh raja, dan diremukan di sana, lalu dicampakkannya abunya ke sungai Kidron.
And the high places before Jerusalem, on the south side of the mountain of destruction, which Solomon, king of Israel, had made for Ashtoreth, the disgusting god of the Zidonians, and for Chemosh, the disgusting god of Moab, and for Milcom, the disgusting god of the children of Ammon, the king made unclean.
Bukit-bukit pengorbanan yang ada di sebelah timur Yerusalem di sebelah selatan bukit kebusukan, dan yang didirikan oleh Salomo, raja Israel, untuk Astoret, dewa kejijikan sembahan orang Sidon, dan untuk Kamos, dewa kejijikan sembahan Moab, dan untuk Milkom, dewa kekejian sembahan orang Amon, binajiskan oleh raja.
The stone pillars were broken to bits, and the wood pillars cut down, and the places where they had been were made full of the bones of the dead.
Ia memecahkan tugu-tugu, berhala, dan menebang tiang-tiang berhala, lalu ditimbuninya tempat-tempat itu penuh dengan tulang-tulang manusia.
And the altar at Beth-el, and the high place put up by Jeroboam, the son of Nebat, who made Israel do evil, that altar and that high place were pulled down, and the high place was burned and crushed to dust, and the Asherah was burned.
Juga Misbar, yang ada di batal bukit pengorbanan, yang dibuat oleh Yerobeam bin Nebat yang mengakibatkan orang Israel berdosa, mesbah dan bukit pengorbanan itu pun dirobohkannya dan batu-batunya dipecahkannya, lalu ditumbuknya halus-halus menjadi abu, dan dibakarnyalah tiang berhala.
Then Josiah, turning round, saw on the mountain the places of the dead, and he sent and had the bones taken out of their places, and burned on the altar, so making it unclean, as the Lord had said, by the man of God, when Jeroboam was in his place by the altar on that feast day, and he turning his eyes to the testing place of the man of God, who had given word of these things, said,
Dan ketika Yosia berpaling, dilihatnyalah kuburan-kuburan yang ada di gunung di sana, lalu menyuruh orang mengambil tulang-tulang dari kuburan-kuburan itu, membakarnya di atas mesbah, dan menajiskannya, sesuai dengan firman Tuhan yang telah diserukan oleh Abdi Allah, yang telah menyerukan hal-hal ini.